Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to give you guys another quick update regarding about which Model Y's vehicle will be eligible for the point of sales credit. So we're just going to go through it real quick. So let's go to inventory right now just to see the one that we have in the inventory. So you would assume like over here, it just Tesla just says like 7,500 tax credit to all Model Y, right? So not exactly. So for example, certain Model Ys on here, when you click on it, it will tell you whether that vehicle is able to receive the 7,500 tax credit or federal tax credit or not. So for example, the first one we see here, which is the Model Y rear-wheel drive, it has about $2,000 discount. Most likely this will not qualify. Let's see if it is. So as you can see right here, it's on the top right corner, it says does not qualify for the federal tax credit, and this is the rear-wheel drive. So for some reason, maybe Tesla is using something with the battery, the component, whatever. For some reason, we don't know. But this particular vehicle does not qualify, and even though it is the new vehicle, you can see right here, this is the new color too, solid black, yet does not qualify. So if you're looking to buying a vehicle and hoping that you can get the 7,500, make sure you double check, triple check to make sure the vehicle does qualify for it, because you don't want to end up buying a vehicle and not, getting the tax credit. So click on the one right next to it. This is a demo vehicle, but look at this. It has about $6,000 already inventory discount, and see if it still does give you the tax credit. There you go. As you can see right here. So this one, you're going to get about $6,000 on the inventory on top of the 7,500. So about what, like $13,000 off. And this is a demo vehicle, so it does have some miles on it. But if you guys don't care about that one, then what a saving that you have, right? So let's check out another vehicle, guys. This is right here, the next one too, which is blue color. This one, you look at the savings right here, about $6,000 discount. But let's see if it qualifies for the 7,500 or not. Here we go again. Check this out. So just pay attention to, if you're getting a Model Y rear-wheel drive, most likely it will not qualify for the 7,500 federal tax credit, probably due to the fact of a different type of battery, because this one, you can see right here, the range is really short. But again, let's try one more time. Let's try the new vehicle instead. There's all the Model Y. So I checked earlier for the performance, and it's all out. Everybody took advantage of the inventory discount and also the 7,500, and they got all of the performance, which is by far the best deal anybody can get. I got my long range at about like what, 65,000. And now like performance is about 40,000 something. So we can check about like this one right here. This is the regular one. Oh, this is a demo. I don't want to do the demo. I want to do a brand new one. Okay, this one right here, brand new one. Here we go. As you can see, this is a brand new vehicle, and this one will qualify for that. So again, if you guys are gonna be buying Tesla Model Y, and you want to make sure, just look at it and make sure that it does state what it is. If I were you, I would take a screenshot of it too, just in case if Tesla or the IRS saying one way or the other, and that would disqualify you for the credit. But it looks like the rear-wheel drive will not qualify because for some reason. All right, so that's pretty much it for this quick update, guys. If you guys like the video, feel free to give a thumbs up, and if you love the channel, make sure you subscribe for more Tesla content. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.